यस्त्वात्मरतिरेवान्तः कुर्वन् कर्मेन्द्रियै क्रियाः नवशो हर्षशोकाभ्याम स समाहित उच्यते. He is called as a person who is in the Samadhi. Samahita Uchyate. Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, the same thing is said by Bhagavan Krishna. Yastvatma ratireva syat atmatruptascha manavaha atmanneva cha santushtaha tasya karyam na vidyate. Here also, Yastvatma ratirevantaha, he who is reveling in his own being. The objective world is rejected, being an illusion. See? Therefore, Yastvatma ratirevantaha is at peace with himself. If we get bored in solitude, we require a lot of working on the mind. And therefore, just try this 5 minutes without doing anything, simply sit down. And the mind will tell you. Why waste simply like that? Why not we wash our clothes? Why not clean the kitchen? See? The mind will not allow us to be steady because the mind will die. Mind has to think. See, friends, if the mind is not allowed to think, it will die. So it will not like that. Therefore, give it, and therefore some kind of worries, frustration, memories, they come out. So instead of that, start with a small dose. Look into the watch, lest we may sit more for meditation. So sit for, to begin with, 1 minute. If we are able to do this better, then go to the second state, 2 minutes. And if we are not able to understand and practice this, then find out some other techniques. The technique is chant the Lord's name 3-4 times and keep quiet. Increase the gap between these two spouts. Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Shant. Again, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Shant. Thus go on playing with the mind. And once you will catch exactly what is the meaning of working on the mind, then all these things will become very easy. Then, Yasvatma Revantaha, then now the mind is no more reveling outside, because now we understand what is the meaning of the mind active. This takes extremely subtle approach. We are not even able to understand what exactly mind is. We only complain about the mind. See? And when you become extremely subtle, then you will see mind becomes disturbed when anatma, the not self, has entered the mind. See? What is the not self? The worldly objects, and including our body, mind, etc., etc. Everything is not self. But we take the mind to be real, self. So when the mind is disturbed, I am disturbed. When the mind is at peace, I am at peace. So our identification with the mind creates a fictitious personality called the ego. And that is troubling all of us. So yasmat mritireva syat antaha, he who is at peace. Then you see, when anything foreign body enters, it creates a reaction. See? Like you must have seen, sometime we get some kind of thorn or something in our hand or foot, and it remains unknown. And thereafter, after 2-3 days, it starts reacting, and then there is tenderness of the skin becomes warm, it is swollen, and then a pus forms. And if it is done in proper way, then what the doctor does, only removes the foreign body and cleans it, and that's it. You don't require any medication, because the tissue regenerates itself. Exactly the same way, whenever anything is included in the mind, that becomes an abscess on the mind. So what is included? The body is included in the mind. So I am body notion is an abscess on the mind, and then it will start swelling. How it will start swelling? Depending upon our age. I have this, I have that, I have done this thing, I have done that. So much thick abscess. And when we don't take care of that, then there will be pus. And the pus is the misery, frustration, complaint, fighting, uneasy. I think it is better that I kill myself. See? This is all because of the entrance of the foreign body, anatma vastu, in the mind. So, where do we revel? Revel in your own being. You don't require anything to be happy. You are happiness. Don't seek happiness. Yastu atmaratireva, he who is at peace within, and kurvan in karmendriyahi kriya, and although he is engaged in doing all activities by the karmendriyas, na harsha shokabhyam vashaha, but he is not influenced by the joy and the sorrows as a result of the karma phala, sa samahita uchyate. This is called Samadhi. See? He is in Samadhi. So Samadhi is not sitting like we see the pictures, that somebody is sitting in the meditation and we feel, oh, this is meditation. No. We are living a normal life. There is no speciality. But we are at peace within. See, my friends. Therefore, if we get disturbed because of anybody or anything, it is only because we are not at peace with ourselves. It is something like shallow waters and oceanic waters. In shallow waters, you put even a dry leaf, it will create ripples. And in the deep ocean, let a ship sink, no ripples come. In the same manner, the one who is reveling in his blissful self, let the calamities come, but he is not disturbed. But the one who is like a shallow water pond, no depth, even a small little thing happens. Today he got up in the morning and did not say good morning to me. I don't know what is wrong with him. Wrong with you, dumb. He will say good morning, he will say good morning, but when you are there, how can he say good morning? See, friends, go deep within yourself. Yastvat maratireva kurvan karmendriyaihi kriya. And with this poise within, get yourself engaged in all the activities of the day, right from morning till sleep. But harsha shokabhyam na vashaha gatva. But don't get influenced by the joy and sorrows. No, we don't get influenced by joy. We get influenced only by sorrows. Therefore, the rule is, the more sorrowful you are, the stronger is your ego. Less sorrowful you are, less is the poison of ego. And if you are having zero ego, then you are one with Paramatma, Brahma. So what is the spiritual practice? Be happy. See Maharaj,